What do you want?
Information.
Then go bother the receptionist, clone boy, instead of wasting my goddamn time.
Not that kind of information. I want to know about the Seraph Industries case.
Ha ha. And I want a blowjob at a vintage 05 bar GT, so I guess we both keep on dreaming. Huh, metalhead?
Listen, I get it. You don't know me, and you don't want to be bothered with this. God knows I feel the same way. But I need that information. Just help me out, and I'll be on my way.
You're right. You and I were the same. It's like we're brothers. Are you fucking kidding me? Give me a break, Boy Scout. Hey,
That got fucked up.
are you deaf or just plain stupid? I told you to get the hell out of my way.
I know you handle the critical evidence linked to the case, and I want to know about it.
First off, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. And second, even if I did, what makes you think I give a shit about what you want? Now, I strongly suggest you take your high-tech, toaster-looking ass out of my way before I